Moraine Valley was my best choice because I found a diverse group of friends here. Moraine Valley was my best choice because I found my family here. Moraine Valley was my best choice because it's giving me opportunities to work on my art while I'm still in school.
Moraine Valley was my best choice because it got me to where I wanted to be. I had dreams of having a good job, of getting a nice car, getting out of the same old that I was doing. I served tables forever, but it was nice because it got me exactly where I wanted to be.
All teachers here were excellent. They cared about you on an individual basis, and that's what made this school the best for me, is their individuality towards my education and to make sure that I succeeded.
Moraine Valley is my best choice because of the opportunity it has given me.
Moraine Valley was my best choice because it was close, convenient, and it was a good stepping stone to go into like a bigger school and get a lot of prerequisites done, as well as save money for myself and my family in the future.
After Moraine, I knew I would have a plan to do something after, and like a transfer to a bigger university was solidified within the program.
Moraine Valley ended up becoming my best choice because I ended up not having any idea what I wanted to do for a while. I came into college thinking I did, but then I changed it really quick. So it allowed me to try different majors out, and it allowed me to eventually find what I do like. I found out what I like not by taking the classes, but by being involved on campus. Hadn't I been involved on campus, I would have never known I like, talking to people and, public relations. That's not something that had ever crossed my mind prior to being at Moraine Valley, but my involvement with student life and, all my different clubs really pushed me into that direction.
Moraine Valley was my best choice because it helped me grow as a person and increase my confidence.